what sort of a role would you be playing, Ramya?
Sure, sir. Can you see me, sir?
No, we can't see you. I think your camera's still. Yeah, there you go. Okay.
Yeah.
Hi,
Okay.
Ramya.
Okay. I'm Vaijanti, sir.
Oh, sorry, Vaijanti. Yeah. Hi,
Oh,
Vaijanti.
yeah. Yeah, I'm a project manager in Adobe AI. My role is to lead a entire team, and I will be the point of contact for all the projects.
Got it. Is it okay if you're already there on the GTM engineering team to just announce your name so I can save your name so I know? I have Satya, I have Vinod, and I have I don't think I've added Suleiman, but I have Sugant. So 3 guys that came yesterday. I think I've kind of given them a task list also by their name.
I
So
got Katie from them, sir. So I have some little bit idea regarding GTM engineering.
Got it. Yeah, just add your name to that WhatsApp group, right?
Okay, sir.
That I know who to connect, how to coordinate things and things of that. But I'm genuinely very, very excited, and I want to thank Akash for this forward thinking of putting a strong structure. You're going to play a very critical role, Vaijanti, in this whole foundation, basically, because managing all the resources, and as we get along into the whole nitty gritty, we're going to lay some very foundational things of how do you work on the business rather than in the business.
Exactly. That's right.
You guys are going to get like a lot of this knowledge and information, almost like a Harvard level, but street smart Harvard level education. How do you create a startup company from ground scratch as we go along on this journey, basically. So your involvement in being able to manage the team and coordinate different tasks and activities, and also look at from a department level while we're the GTM engineering team. The GTM engineering team is the heart of any organization. I think that folks that do not understand the power of GTM engineering, and especially with the advent of AI, are going to be kind of left behind.
That's true.
So understanding the mechanism of how GTM, almost like an octopus within an organization, reaches out its tentacles from doing product development and how that is kind of getting coordinated with multiple departments. That's what we're going to be discussing and learning together as team members out here. Do you mind sharing what sort of tools have you used for project management in the past, Vaijanti?
We used agile methodology to track the projects, sir.
Okay.
Agile, ClickUp,
and also ClickUp.
So ClickUp is the primary tool, but it's all agile methodology. Agile methodology is a very near and dear to my heart. I've done $20 million worth of project using agile methodology and waterfall also. I've ran, at some point I was running about 400 people team in my career doing agile methodology, and so I'm very familiar with that. So we'll certainly have an exchange of thoughts and mindset of how do you build the user stories, what are the backlogs that we're talking about, how do you create velocity to see whatever task that we did in the past, is it really improving, because that can become very helpful again, and not only in the GTM engineering but also in the product development, basically. So that skill set will become super critical out here. So great. What I'd like to do is really jump in to the couple of people that you had mentioned, Akash. I was interested in the email marketing. Who are those folks on email marketing that are going to be sort of, there were two folks within the organization,
yeah.
right?
That's Sugant and Ramya. Ramya would be joining in a little while.
Okay.
And Sugant and Ramya would be handling the email marketing.
But there was another person that knew Apollo.
Yeah, that's Shafika.
Yeah.
Shafika.
So she's not joined the call?
Probably no. It's Ramzan time.
Okay.
She's on prayers, I believe.
Okay.
Probably.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's the reason.
Okay.
Just eight more days. Should also be actively participating in calls.
Got it. Got it. So it's going to be Sugant for now, who handles all the follow-up emails and things of that, more of the analytics. And
Exactly.
And the other person you mentioned is?
That's Ramya.
Ramya. Okay, so she's going to be joining us too. Okay.
Yeah.
So while she's joining us, and let's jump into some of the tasks that we've already spoke to. I'd like to start with probably Satya, I believe. He's more the video editor specialist, right?
Exactly.
So Satya, do you want to share some of the clips that you took? What are some of the learnings you had, and maybe bottlenecks and stuff like that, so we can help you kind of move forward to the next level?
Yes, sir. I will share the screens.
In the meantime, we have also created a SOP on how to create a viral TikTok video.
Oh, wonderful. Okay.
I've just shared in the channel.
Okay. So is this the channel that is it on ClickUp, or where are we talking?
I've just shared it in the WhatsApp group.
Oh, in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, I'll take a look at it for sure.
So even from the beginning, we are trying to get things standardized, creating SOPs on each and every activity.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Go ahead, Satya.
First as this Excel sheet, you told that one you took Excel sheet.
Yep.
Keywords ranking, and we take a one point heading AI developers for keywords ranking. In that AI developer, 15 keywords I taken.
Okay.
Keywords ranking. This is a topic of the video, topic of the keywords ranking of the video playback.
Got it.
This is Excel for video. It is video links for separate knowledgeable things as per the heading status.
So these are the YouTube channel creators, content creators, and with the topic basically of how to hire developers in 2026 without writing months of waiting months on hiring. Is that what that topic is?
How to hire AI developer in 2026 without wasting the month. That videos will play here. YouTube videos.
Yeah. Do you mind clicking on that? Let's take a look of what that looks like.
Satya's tasks were involving in SOP, generating 30 seconds video content along with the keywords.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. First, I will generate the videos at 30 seconds videos. Yesterday's that we recording videos, I created a 30 seconds video, split up as per the headings. Oh, I saw that videos.
Yeah, sure. Why don't you show that video? Yeah, that'll be wonderful.
You got to share with sound, Satya.
Yeah, I think you there's a technique on what's interesting. There's a technique to be able to do a specific URL when you're sharing on Google, so that we can have the audio there, basically. So when you do a share, there'll be that one link itself, the video link. You don't do share the whole screen. Just say share a specific URL, and you should be able to then share the the audio basically.
Okay.
So
This is we create. This is we create the videos like this. As put up 7 videos in 15 seconds to 30 seconds timelines. As per
Yeah,
yesterday,
let's hear what I was interested. Sorry to jump in here, Satya. Um, I'd be interested in seeing the narrative of that short video, right? So what is that video telling? Like, it's not just about creating some clips, but that 30 seconds should have a message encapsulated in it, right? And that's where the intelligence of video editing and being able to distribute the right kind of a content becomes important, so that people, even though it might be 30 seconds, what is that message? What are we doing? It should not be just abrupt of any topic type of thing, right? So I'd like to hear the sound, if you don't mind running the sound there.
running sound is not coming.
yeah. So you stop sharing, okay?
Okay.
And once you click on the share button, there will be one option like, let me try and share my entire screen.
Oh.
So you click share.
Okay.
Okay. You see this kind of a bar.
Okay.
You enable this, and then you can
entire videos is
entire video, and you can share.
Okay.
The blue button.
Okay. Okay. Blue buttons already is enabled only.
So you have to click on that specific video then.
Okay.
Or else try and share it in the WhatsApp group in the meantime. If that's okay. Probably in the meantime we can cover with Sugandh.
Absolutely, yeah. Sugandh, do you want to sort of share what you've done on OpenClaw? Because yeah, we'd love to see, and then this will become another 30-second. I mean, if you guys can see the potential, this is maddening. This is like literally intoxicating what we're doing. I mean, on every call, you're gonna have like Satya is going to be overwhelmed with content, like 30 videos coming out. We can flood the damn internet. Yeah, please go ahead, Sugandh. So what I would say is that obviously this is being recorded. We don't care. We want to showcase to the world of how we're growing a startup company here. So what I would tell you guys, when you're coming in camera, when you're showing something, just imagine we're going to make you a rock star. You're going to be on that video. You're going to be talking and showcasing your talent. So come prepared for these meetings with some really good, solid content, so that when somebody sees your knowledge base, they're impressed. They know what you're talking about, and how you're going about doing it. So it's a different way of working, I think, in this day and age. And this is a pro tip for every professional with the advent of AI economy coming in, right? Jobs are getting scarce. Like, how do you protect yourself and become that expert? Very soon, a lot of kids will learn AI also. So there will be competition there also. The only way you can protect your skill sets is becoming a brand ambassador, becoming a subject matter expert. People already seeing you on the internet and saying, this guy knows what he's talking about or she's talking about. Yep. So it's a new era of building your skill set. It's gone are the days that you're saying, oh, I'm a Java developer, or I'm a C++. Those days are gone. How do you cope up? How do you keep your position in the marketplace? Not only learning the skills, but also coming and becoming a brand ambassador as we're coaching you and educating you to become that brand ambassador. So what I would say is that whenever you're coming and showcasing a skill, because Satya is creating a factory machine here. He's like an AI on top of an AI here for the company. So he's going to start picking up a lot of those reels that you guys are building. And so he's not going to be biased that you said and she said. It's upon you as a professional to keep the ownership to be able to produce really rock solid information that is being disseminated. And, we'll also talk, Akash, offline with regards to, I do want to take a waiver because we're marketing, we're using this for content and promotional purposes. So anybody that comes on board, we would need that waiver from CloudTribes. So they would have to sign that waiver type of thing. I hope you guys are okay of we making a rock star. Are you guys okay? You can give a thumbs up here if you're okay. Because if you're not okay, this forum or this kind of approach is not good for you guys. So anybody that's gun shy of not being a rock star, please, this is not the team that you should be. Thank you.
You're all done.
Okay, so please, Sudan, go ahead and create and produce your content in that thoughtful manner, knowing that every information that you're sharing, there'll be an output of some 30 seconds that somebody will learn something very valuable. And the fact that you're doing entire GTM engineering and using AI tools like OpenClaw to be able to automate and using computer use agent, it's an extremely hot topic. So accordingly, just showcase your presentation, please.
So I've integrated OpenClaw with YouTube.
Do you mind being a little bit more audible? Because come closer to the camera so we can hear you and everybody can understand what you're saying.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
So I've integrated OpenClaw with YouTube skills, so it can generate the analysis like vidIQ platform. So we can generate the search key terms and full analysis like keyword search terms, and I can connect the workflows to Telegram bot, and we can chat from Telegram bot and can search the keyword and get the analysis of the whole video from the YouTube data.
Okay, so to set the context, what you've done as a project, the end goal, so it would be good if you can kind of, whenever you're talking about a tech stack, what is the business purpose that you're trying to achieve? So if I'm understanding you correctly, what you've done is you've used these AI agents to be able to, specifically something like OpenClaw and computer use agent, to be able to track all the trending videos on YouTube and find out what topics by keywords are trending using tools like vidIQ, YouTube, and to be able to then connect that to Telegram so that your GTM or your video editors that are building the content already has that research in advance of what they're going to be receiving, basically. Is that correct? So you've got OpenClaw, Telegram, you have YouTube, and as well as vidIQ. So these are the tech stacks you've done to be able to extract that analytics and create a research dashboard, if I'm understanding you correctly, correct?
Yes, we have done that.
Got it. So please go ahead and share that workflow. And if you don't have it right now, which is fine, but moving forward, whenever you build a certain story, a tech stack, I'd like you to do a complete visual workflow so that you're showcasing, so that somebody the viewers that are watching get a clear understanding of what's the mind map that you've gone through the tech stack, basically. But please go ahead and share what you've done.
Yes, sir, I can showcase.
Probably in the upcoming calls, we'll come up with a workflow as well.
Absolutely. Are you able to share your desktop, Sugan? Oh, there you go.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, so we can see the Telegram.
Your screen got disconnected, brother. Sugant, reshare your screen.
Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
So I've connected OpenClaw with Telegram bot and installed the YouTube skills to it and feed the data to get the keyword research, keyword term research, and get the analysis of the YouTube data, so we can find out which topics are trending in YouTube and keywords and tags, so we can use it in our video, so our video can get viral. And it's that idea. So I can.
It's a research tool. Do you mind sharing what's the report looks like? Let's say I'm a user. I'm a video editor, so before I create any kind of a video, I want to be able to see what are the trending topics or what are the keywords that I should be doing specific to my industry, by the way. It's not just like, I could be selling maybe shoes tomorrow. I could be working on, like in CloudTribes, placing candidates type of thing. So I, as a user, should be able to tell, let's say, whether you call it OpenClaw or CloudTribes agent, if you will, to be able to do this task. So can you show us what that output report looks like on the Telegram here?
So for an example, I've taken prompt for this. So we can, so we are going to analyze here GTM Engineering topic and take top 15 keywords with volume and plus competition, SEO score breakdowns, 5 optimized titles with CTR percentages, and 20 tags sorted by relevance. So I've replicated every behavior from the tool called vidIQ. So we can use it as a prompt and get the results that vidIQ can provide in their platform.
That's excellent. That's excellent. Sugant, kudos to your thought process of what you've done. Amazing thought process. I really like the thinking behind it, because you've taken a certain tool, if I'm understanding it correctly, the user interface is already telling you the amount of work those guys may have already done. So you're using that as a filter to be able to almost map it for the vidIQ, and now have like a CloudTribes agent go out there and be able to extract this valuable knowledge, so that once you have that, you're literally then, they say, like, being in the YouTube is in the business of entertainment. Okay. And I'll tell you why I make this statement. YouTube, in order to rank very highly on YouTube, you need to create content that's already popular. It's just like being a movie producer, right? You have to watch people that are successful, and then you keep on hiring them and restating and regurgitating that movie. And that's what YouTube also does. So I think with this phenomena, what you're doing is you're basically copying the guys that are already popular in your industry, in your vertical. And now you're saying, give me those guys, get me the list. Now you're empowering the video editor or the movie producer or the, let's call it where CloudTribes is in the entertainment business of hiring developers, basically. Everything is, life is nothing but entertainment, right? So you're taking all these keywords and then empowering the editor, Sugant on our team, to be able to say, okay, start creating these type of videos from ground scratch, or remove some clips that are already ranking well in this specific space, basically. Right?
Yes.
Okay, please go ahead and let's see what the outcome would be if you were to do this. What happens here?
Yes.
When you run this agent, what happens? YouTube optimization bot.
So when I run this, it gets to OpenClaw server, and it gets and it uses the YouTube skills that I have fetched to the OpenClaw, and it gets the data from YouTube and analyze the GTM engineering topic that I have inserted here. We can change it to any topic that we give it here, and it will fetch all the details that we give here. So top 15 keywords with volume, so SEO score breakdown, for optimized titles with CTR. So it will fetch all the analytics, and it will show the dashboard like dashboard based style like we use on vidIQ.
Can we? Okay, so it's about to. Is it showing you that dashboard? Can we look at that dashboard?
Yes, sir. So here it is, the top 15 keywords with volume plus competition on the topic GTM. So and the SEO score breakdown. So top optimized titles: GTM Engineering Secrets, Clay.com, Make.com, NI10. So what is a GTM engineer?
So even for me, the analysis is that with these keywords, we could also able to identify some of the tools that are working good for GTM.
Got it. So currently our focus is, because you put in that bracket GTM Engineering, right?
Yes,
And then
yes.
you it's come up with this sort of a report. Can you go down a little bit more?
Yes, sir.
So it's got all these keywords and things of that. And it also said the quick wins. So which are the quick wins? Create content on top of keyword.
Yes. Long-term strategy, build consistent quality content on trending topics. Top viral. So we also get the top viral videos, and I think it's.
So one of the things I will tell you at a glance, right, when I look at it as a user,
Yes.
there's an overwhelming amount of data, right, that is here. How do you now take this and feed it back into like a CloudTribes agent and say, now beautify this and use something like a Looker, Google Looker, which is a dashboard, analytics dashboard, and give me a visual on quick wins, top keywords, like 4 or 5. Give me a nice summary, like an executive summary, so that when I'm about to create a video of a certain topic, I know exactly what to do. While this is text, can we do that to advance this thinking now into that visual dashboard here as next steps?
Yes, sir, we can do it.
Okay. I know you may have not done that, but that would be next steps that we would do at using this particular thing. And you know what's interesting and fascinating about this approach that we're doing here is that I understand this is a Telegram thing, but I don't see any reason why you cannot display a Nano Banana. Nano Banana would be perfect in this. So as
Yep.
the tool, what you could do is you can put all this data and give it to Nano Banana and say, give me infographics, and then maybe use an MCP server that will actually ping back from Nano Banana and display the image here. Because what you really want to do with this computer use agent, you got to wear the hat of a CEO or a day-to-day user, right? You want to be able to feed it to the last destination, to the last mile. You don't want to go, because, you know, I think gradually the use of SaaS is going to be really becoming redundant. The MCP servers will go and get the SaaS tools, will go and fetch everything. Now this is going to be a new age of how people are interacting with agents. So even though this is more text-based, I would imagine that it can surface that dashboard, if you will, because people don't want to be sitting there and clicking on buttons and saying, okay, I've got to go to this menu, that menu. They're just going to type in and say, okay, now give me a visual image here, basically. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Kudos, Sugant. Great job. As a follow-up, I will share some of the next steps for you.
A little more work is still there. We had already deployed OpenClaw. Sugant, could you please share the OpenClaw?
So we are also,
It's already there, up and running in the server.
so
and-
here we are also testing some of the prompts that we are giving it to Telegram.
Huh.
Well, so can you please expand on this, because there's a lot of content and data here that we're seeing.
No, zoom it out. Expand the screen. No, not like that. Expand it. Just the chat window.
I love this. So you already have that 5 top viral videos. Go down below, please.
So we can paste the text in many more groups and class. So we can view it.
No, then it's not going to be clickable, right? Or maybe put it on a Word document or something that we can see, you know, immediately, the links and stuff like that.
So this is the output that we got with the topic GTM Engineering. So here are the top 15 keywords with volume plus competition. So GTM Engineering, go-to-market engineer, SaaS growth, growth market, lead generation. So here are the 15 top search keywords with the competition.
Got it. Which has a high competition and things of that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And so this is excellent, right? We've already gone through this exercise. What I'm saying is make it visual, because I think to a video editor, this might be too geeky, too technical. What I would say is that you could literally right now take this and paste it in. Why don't we try it? Take this whole thing, paste it into Nano Banana, and say, give me an infographics on this. Try doing that. Let's see what comes out of it. It would be Google Pro Nano Banana you have to do, I think. No, these are all fake. You have to go to Google, because they make
Send me the text. I got the Pro subscription.
Okay, so yeah, you can just send Akash the text.
So I've sent it.
I've sent it.
Yes.
Perfect. I'm sharing my screen.
So while Akash is doing that, I have some technical questions and conversations or ideas that I want to plant here. did you use in this context any MCP server or the ideation of MCP server, where you have a set of functionalities and set of tools that it's going through, so that it's almost like a bouquet of set of instructions that you're minimizing the sequence of agents that are going to be using? You can build that MCP server as a last mile and have it do all these multiple functionalities and come back to giving you whatever the outcome is. Did you apply that kind of train of thought or mindset, Sugant, when you're breaking down this exercise of getting an outcome of, what are the top ranking keywords? Sugant, the question is for you.
Yes, sir.
Sanjay, if you could repeat, I've missed.
The question is, did you apply any MCP server to be able to execute this task or accomplish these goals? Feeding, find the vidIQ, maybe go to another tool, do these exercises. One is you can do it sequentially. You can have OpenClaw make it do it. But the other thing is you can literally have an MCP server that's executing all this. You can almost call it like a research bot, if you will, right? Beautiful, bang. Let's. My apologies before I look at that. Did you have that thought, or maybe you can incorporate it moving forward, Sugant, in terms of your designing and thinking of a proper, more intelligent agentic AI, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Do you want to highlight that? Let's look at this GTM Engineering Master Analysis. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't this like oh my God, this is a mind-blowing. So all that content that you created, look at this. Now, let's ask Satya, which one would he prefer? This dashboard as a video editor or going through all the cryptic knowledge on Telegram? Satya?
That's true.
This is knowledgeable for this image only. Telegram.
Yeah. See, we're in the age of, again, I would encourage you guys to always think that we're in this age of AI now. People want immediacy. People want clarity, right? Oh my God, is this freaking crazy? This is what I'm talking about, baby.
This is awesome.
So what I would say is in your toolkit, use this Nano Banana Pro API calling. Once the vidIQ analysis is done, you're gone through the YouTube titles and things of that. And if somebody gets this sort of a visual, this makes somebody super, super powerful and intelligent. Video angles. Can you believe that? Oh my God.
Tool comparison.
So we have replicated the vidIQ's behaviors here, and we can also implement more and more analytics about those topics in the YouTube.
That's like 12 p.m. EST. That's the best time to shoot the video. 10 to 15 minutes of length. One video per week.
Bang on, baby. Bang on. Look at the strategy. The three quick wins.
GTM Engineering with Cloud Code. Vaijayanti, you got to take a look at this.
Sure.
Why optimize key titles? It's also giving you the score of those titles, 8.2. So this is what we're going to hover today. And this is for Satya. Since you're seeing the optimized title, this is all about GTM engineering that we're having as a discussion and how we can use OpenClaw. We can give a twist of how to do GTM engineering using computer use agent or Claude, OpenClaw, those types of topics, basically. Satya, is this self-explanatory? Like, are you seeing the power here of what is being displayed?
Oh, sorry, sorry.
You can make great video out of this. That's sure.
So whatever we have right now from a lead generation, you see GTM engineering on top. You see the red line and stuff like that. If you go on the left top side, Akash, yeah, the volume, the search volume, GTM engineering, right? Rather than go to market engineer. I mean, that's also another topic, but let's hit on GTM engineering for this specific discussion. And you can remove the clip and do editing of what we're talking about, of how we came to a conclusion with this. It can be a video in itself, a content. So I'd leave it up to your hands, magical hands, of how you would actually take this GTM engineering and see what the competition is. It's high, but I think even higher is like 0.70 is the AI in marketing, but not a whole lot of volume. But the search volume on GTM engineering is pretty high. So, and this is a great keyword I think we should be able to rank on, because we're really providing so much of valuable conversation around GTM engineering. I don't see any reason why we should not be able to rank for this kind of volume and rank number one when it comes to GTM engineering. Given this data that you have, Satya, right now on your fingertips, let's make sure that all those tags also are, like, in place out here, Satya.
Perfect.
Satya, I hope that the fact that Sugant already did the vidIQ, you already have a vidIQ professional license, right, Akash?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So you have all the information at your fingertips. So kudos to Sugant, great job. We'll move to Vinod. That's another super critical thing when we talk about GTM engineering. Right now, where we're talking about digital, but how do you do GTM when you're doing outbound calling and outreach? And Vinod will guide us through using some cutting edge technology platforms like Ritel that allows you to use voice based outbound calling using AI agents. So Vinod, do you mind sharing what you've done so far?
Yes, sir. I'm sharing my screen.
Man, this is a buffet of think tank and what's going on. I mean, I'm like super excited, man. Like, look at the breadth of knowledge that we're showcasing out here, right from OpenClaw to Ritel to phone telephony. I mean, Akash, what do you this?
Yep.
This is like a Disneyland of genius AIs out here.
Quite a hell of a thing.
Please go ahead, Vinod.
Yes.
Vinod, I think you shared your present screen only.
Yeah, ma'am. Sir, our screen is visible.
Yes, we can see the screen. Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir. Today I made a voice agent using Ritel AI to outbound call automatic.
Mhm.
So simply I create a single prompt agent. So this is a simple prompt agent. It works based on this given script Then script. The AI start speaks first, then greet the person, confirm their name given by the leads. If- Then the
So it's this like a sample script, a call appointment booking script.
Got it, got it. So this is like a knowledge base that you can
Exactly.
allow the user to add their own script out there so that the AI agent will initiate the outbound call. I'd be interested to see if you can walk us through. And again, I think as a practice, Akash, I think all the team members, when they showcase their knowledge, the first thing that they should show is a workflow, the
Sure.
objective of what are they trying to achieve and the workflow that they're following, because you could get lost in the sauce if the context is not provided, right? Because we're technical guys, we understand, okay, this is a script and it becomes a knowledge base, it's going to feed the AI and all that stuff. But people are most interested. Remember, we're in the entertainment business out here. They're interested in the whole flow, the picture. Where's the movie, right?
That's true.
I think I can give a simple analogy about the movie making business, right? You suddenly you go into a movie theater and somebody starts punching someone. And then suddenly somebody starts dancing and somebody starts crying. How would that look to you as an individual? Is
Quite
that making
frankly,
sense?
Yep.
If the narrative of the context of what you're showcasing is not getting demonstrated up front, like this is what the movie is about, just a general thing and a workflow, it might lose you cannot empower Satya to be able to create a story. You got to give him some story, basically, because he's your director. He wants to make you a movie star. Like, how does he make you a movie star where you just jump in and say Ritel, and your brain power, your skill set is completely then watered down? You put in so much of thought. So what I would recommend, before you start any functionality, any activity that you start, think about the business outcome, the benefit of the business. What is it you're trying to achieve? Create a workflow, visual one, so people can understand where you're headed with this, and then be able to show the tech stats. Does that make sense, Vinod?
Perfect.
yes, sir.
Yes, it does.
Let's go ahead. Let's do a test in terms of how an AI agent using Ritel can make a call. If you want, you can use my phone number. You
Yes,
can
sir.
insert my phone number and make a call, and I'll pick up the call. I think you have my number already. If you don't, I'll give you my phone number and see if it can dial from there. 510-943-2539.
Vinod, can you able to integrate this phone number and pick the call?
Yes, sir. First, I add this our phone number to CSV file and then upload the CSV. It can automatically call.
No. Make a live call.
Yes, sir. Just wait. I add our number in CSV file.
I think
Yeah,
he
which is
will take
fine. I think he
Yeah.
can add it, he can upload it, and there'll be a click to call. So while you're doing that, maybe we can again shift to Satya. Maybe he's got those videos and he's figured out what that short video. I'd like to see the short video that Satya has created while Vinod is uploading the file.
Yes, sir.
Satya, do you mind sharing your screen?
Yes. I share the videos in WhatsApp also.
I'm not seeing anything on WhatsApp either. So
Probably he already shared in the group. I've
the
already
GTM
shared the
engineering,
in GTM Engineering. Yes.
I'm seeing only the okay. Oh yeah, MP4.
Actually, the best part is that, Sanjay, let me even give a honest answer. After OpenClaw coming into the picture, we've been trying to, as a philosophy of the company, automation first, even within the organization, than people first. If there is a requirement, we try and build an automation with OpenClaw rather than the organization.
Okay, I did see one, the automation first that you caught on to, so that's a good one. Yeah, look into Descript. I'm gonna share this video with you after this is done, this content is done. What I'd like you to do is come back tomorrow, do two things. Say, oh, this is my framework that I went and researched in, let's say, OpenClaw, for example, right? In context. Obviously, you showed me butter, popcorn, and things of that. That was a video, right? But now come into our universe. What are we trying to do? We're trying to have as much technology conversation that people are seeing. Yeah, see, this, I'd like to, have a separate session, Satya, with you, because another video that I saw about popcorn and things like that, the story was not clear. Like, what is it that you're trying to, like, what's this video about? And so you're not just creating clips for the sake of creating clips. You're creating something that has a start or an end, like how you had that Akash's video, like how we do AI first. That's how the thinking is basically, right? There was meaning, there was context, and then you would close it down as a call to action. CloudTribes hiring, whatever that is, right? That makes meaningful sense, basically. So every clip that you have has to have some narrative to it. While we were talking about popcorn, like, people don't know. Like, suddenly you show up in a movie, like I was saying, and somebody starts eating popcorn and somebody's punching someone. I mean, what are we trying to do, right? So anyways, I've seen some of the videos, which is great. So let's move to Vinod, if he's already got those CSV already uploaded here. Vinod, are you able to share your screen?
I believe they are setting things up.
Or then maybe we can move to Ramya. Ramya, why don't you introduce yourself, and then let's talk about what you've been doing with Apollo and how you've been doing like an outreach.
Ramya, talk about JobSpy, Apollo, and how we harvest the credentials.
I think you're on mute, Ramya, if you don't mind going on.
Ramya? Ramya, am I audible? Oh, you're on mute. Remove that. Go ahead.
Still you're not audible, Ramya.
Yeah, we can hear you now, Ramya.
Yeah, okay, sure.
No, that's why Jayanti is speaking, I believe.
Okay, Ramya, not audible still, Ramya.
No.
Nope.
No.
Okay, sure. You
Yeah,
can
sure.
disconnect
Go ahead
into
and
another.
that, and maybe Vinod, then if you're set up, maybe you can share something with us. Vinod is there?
Okay. Sanjay, I believe it is asking for a KYC right now. Probably without number, we can do a test.
Okay, yeah. Why don't we do that? I think the KYC is because of Tulio or something like that, right?
Yep, I believe. Yep.
Yeah.
Vinod, we can do a testing without the number.
I think that's fine. We can work offline with Vinod. He can kind of fix the bug. We get the whole picture. The fact he's already gone into Ritel, we can use this as a platform for doing outbound calling, and keep on having advanced features out there since he's already logged into it and stuff like that. That would be the next steps. And
Yeah, I've seen the demo. I've seen the demo. That's
yeah.
quite good. Probably in the meantime, I'll share my screen. We've been working something on the similar lines. This is kind of our own product. You upload a document. This is primarily for customer support and front desk in hotels and receptions. Whatever you load a document, I'm gonna load one sample document. This is like our resource metrics. Okay, some front desk data is already there. Okay, some of the data set is already there. I'm gonna make a conversation here. How do I make a booking?
Hello. I'm your friendly nurse assistant at City General Hospital. How can I help you today?
I want to
Hi there.
make a hospital booking.
I understand you want to make a hospital booking. Could you please provide me with some more details, such as 1. The type of appointment you are looking for, doctor consultation, lab tests, etc. 2. Your preferred date and time for the appointment. 3. Any specific doctor or department you wish to book with. Once I have this information, I'll be able to assist you better in arranging your booking.
And we get a probably a
You get
transcript.
the whole transcript and stuff like that. If you don't mind me asking, what have you used? Have you used Google Cloud for this, or
That's
Gravity?
no. That's an in-house model. There is something called as Kitten, Kitten. Kitten.
Okay.
That's a 25 MB voice transcription model along with a Whisper. So that's the beauty of the tech stack.
So it's all open source, basically.
Indeed.
Okay. So you're not using Google AI Cloud or any of that, so that you're not getting charged or something. This is more of like almost like an OpenClaw where you're using the entire tech stack on the desktop itself.
Exactly.
So
That's
it's a SLM, like a small language model that you've used. What is that small language model that you used?
that's Whisper. Whisper open source.
Whisper is for the voice translation, but Kitten is the LLM, right?
Yeah, a kitten whisper is for voice to text. Kitten is again for text to voice.
Got it. And both of them are open source. Whisper also.
Yeah, yeah. Whisper also
Oh,
it is an open source. It's
okay.
available in both cases, both open source and APIs as well.
Got it. So it can become a good voice chat bot and things of that. But
Exactly.
we can certainly discuss this. These are more product related, and we'll have a separate conversation of how do you build the products,
Yeah. Actually,
whether
Sanjay,
build versus buy and all that stuff, right?
yeah, that's the best part for the organization. So we have like a quite a good amount of product lines that we work with. You got to probably we'll schedule a call completely focusing on the product demos.
Absolutely. Let's
You
do
got to
that
be
as a
mesmerized.
follow up. Let's do that as a follow up. Right now, let's wrap up this GTM engineering.
Sure.
The last one is Ramya. If she can, is she still audible, not audible, or do we reschedule the call?
Hey, Ramya, can you able to fix it? Go ahead.
No, I don't think she's audible.
Not it.
Maybe Jayanti, you can take care of all these issues, whatever, when folks are coming on the call, have them prepared, be prepared. And so, these basic things are not really becoming a showstopper. But overall, I think it's been a great meeting, great progress, fantastic work, team. Kudos to all of you guys. And once again, thanking Akash for spearheading this. And we've had I've really enjoyed this conversation and many more to come.
Same here.
I'll work with Akash offline. Akash, I'll call you offline and we'll have more
Sure.
conversation. But just as a follow-up, Satya, what I'd like you to do is take this we're doing right now. I'm going to share it with you guys and then use vidIQ and come up with all the tags and things like that. I'll make you admin of CloudTribes, basically, so you can upload it on YouTube and stuff like that, the channel. But I'd like you to kind of do exactly what I did for GTM Engineering yesterday. Let's see what that final product looks like. And I can work with you offline. What time do you come to work? Are you in the office during the daytime, Satya?
Daytime. Yes.
Like, what time do you come to office?
We kind
9
of
o'clock.
around 9 a.m. But yes, based on your schedule, please suggest the time. Will be available.
Yeah, because I think your 9 would be 12 o'clock at night, my 9 nighttime. Let me send you the video. You can use vidIQ and we can hop on a call maybe early morning or something when you show up. What time is it right now there?
It's 10 p.m.
10 p.m.
Oh, it's 10 p.m. So we're like 10 p.m. So 2.5 hours. So it's going to be 11:30. That's not going to be possible. Is it possible to reach you a little bit earlier? Maybe when I typically, or you don't work on weekends, do you? Like on Saturday or anything? No,
We do.
right? Oh,
We
you
do.
do?
We do.
Okay. So okay to reach out to you tomorrow morning and nighttime your time, Satya?
Sure.
I will available, sir, anytime.
Okay. So I'll reach out to you. It will be a short call, right? Just to give you an update. I'm not going to take too much of your time. It's a weekend. A quick short call we'll have, and then you can take it from there on Monday onwards, right?
Okay.
I think.
Okay, sounds great. Well, sorry, go ahead, Akash.
I think you're getting a call, I believe.
No, I'm not.
Guys, is the call up and running? Do you have Sanjay's number?
Yes, sir. Call is running.
Check again, or probably we'll do this tomorrow.
Yeah, let's do it tomorrow.
Awesome. That
Let me
works.
call you directly, Satya, and we'll take it from there.
Thanks, team.
Okay.
Thank you.